want to watch it now.
Ready?
This is what my dog does when he's bored.
He's doing it to the music. Poor kid.
Like, I'm dizzy. Yo, yeah, if you do it for 3 minutes. You can do it again? Yep, there he goes.
God.
It's funny when he stops, he almost falls over.
He's gonna pull himself off the ground.
Are you bored, or are you actually like itching?
What are you doing? What are you doing? How about I